The house far from me now. What I can tell you about ukuthi angikaze ngangena lapho angazi ngisho nabantu bakhona kodwa ke you find ukuthi by looking at that house you can see ukuthi it's a house where it's lonely. Emakhosini Thokozani Camagu Lesedi Kganya ume onika okhulumayo. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Namhlanje ithi ngiphume ngaphandle, know the fresh air. Indawo okuyo obviously yakutshela ukuthi kuyenzakalani. The environment, the feeling. Kodwa ngizocala ngani ngemimoya yasemakhaya. Imimoya yasemakhaya sithi la inkaba yakho yagutshelwa khona noma sithi la inkaba yakho yaphumela khona. Now la inkinga zakho zicala khona. Ithi masowazi njengoba ngisoloku ngichazela abantu ukuthi uma ungazi la uphuma khona ngeke uwazi la uya khona. So it's very important ukuthi uzithole ukuthi ulungise indaba zakho zenkaba la yawela khona la yaphumela khona noma inkaba yakho la ikhona. Kodwa namhlanje ngizokhuluma ngani ngendaba yestrati. Obunye ubuthakathi noma ngithi amanye ama-spirit ahluphayo emuntwini. Indawo ozalelwe kuyo noma indawo usuka ufikele kuyona. It also counts ama-spirits akhona around and abantu abayinotice. Indawo nendawo kuyaziwa ukuthi la kufa abobaba kakhulu, la kufa abafazi kakhulu, la abafazi bala bashadi abafazi. Ispirit esikhona already emakhaya. So the best way that you need to know ukuthi uzazi ukuthi mina la ngiphuma khona kuyenzakalani. Emakhosini Thokozani Camagu Lesedi Kganya. Like for instance, abume onika, I want to demonstrate and then show you ukuthi abathakathi babona kanjani ikhaya lakho. Yabona le ndawo engikuyo. Okay, we've got houses ngapha nangapha and then sabathakathi we can go asithi ngesikhathi sethu sobuthakathi siyahamba, then ukuhamba kwethu we can smell, we can see just by the looking at the house ukuthi kuyenzakalani from outside. Thola ukuthi lobuthakathi abenzwanga umuntu from okwaziyo, umuntu just ama evil spirits ahambayo ebusuku. So how do they find out ukuthi kuyenzakalani? Imagine ikhaya elingahlangananga, ikhaya angithi kuyathiwa qinisana imizi, abanye kuthiwe hlambululana imizi, abanye bathi lungisana imisamo. So ngikhuluma ngamakhaya imisamo yabo engekho right, kunomsindo ekhaya. They can feel, they can smell and they can see. So uzibuza ukuthi ubuthakathi bagcwala kangaka ekhaya, kuthiwe you've got 1,000 demons. What is actually happening around isikhathi sama evil spirits? They walk street and to street, and then they will pick up 4 to 5 houses. You can tell ukuthi leli khaya linomlilo noma linamlilo. Besides umlilo, because you need to be deep spiritually to see ukuthi ikhaya linomlilo, ikhaya lingenamlilo. Guys, it's very important ukuthi ikhaya, besides i-cleansing yemithi neyiwasho, ikhaya ipende. Dlalani ngepende. Ikhaya lenzeni libe lihle, libe ne-environment. Fana nani mawuhlala ubeka udoti la ngasemnyango, wazi ukuthi u-invite abathakathi. Namadlozi awafuni ukuphila, amathongo awafuni ukuphila ney'ngelosi endaweni engcolile. Spring cleaning, thele ispirit sakho, wenze ispray se-spirit. Indlu yakho kwamele ihlale ihlanzekile, ikhaya lakini, indawo uhlala kuyo kwamele ihlale ingenazibi phansi kwemibhedo because iya-invite ama-evil spirits. So now, I will make example not around here because I know this is a small world. And angivumelekanga. I will make an example. The house far from me now, what I can tell you about ukuthi angikaze ngangena lapho, angazi ngisho nabantu bakhona. Kodwa-ke you find ukuthi by looking at that house, you can see ukuthi it's a house where it's lonely. And then a lonely house, we can tell, guys, abogogo nabomkhulu bahleli ngaphandle emajaridini, emageyidini, mawuthi uyadlula uyambona like spiritually ukuthi kunogogo, kunomkhulu, kunengane zama-abortion ezigujwele emajaridini. We can see that. And mawuthi uyabheka the house I'm talking about. Okay, this house far phambili lena engibhekane nayo la, it's a lonely house, and you can imagine masingaya emathuneni wabokhokho aflat, samba phezu kwawo njengestrata, aflat, awaklinwa, awathini. So this house, it's so lonely, ishoda nje ngokuthi kuphakamiswe abantu abadala. Yes, abantu esingathi abapay attention. And then we go to the second house. Yabona indlu, unotice, yabona indlu engahlali ijuba inyoni, wazi ukuthi there's something wrong. Uhleli into ezimbi phakathi ekhaya. So it's a blessing to see a bird phezu kwendlu imile, and they tell you ukuthi nayi ngugogo ngumkhulu ngungamele ikhaya lami. Angazi ukuthi nangizwa na. So lana imfundiso yanamhlanje is to show you ukuthi anifihlekanga emakhaya. Imisindo iyona efaka evil spirits from outside, or ngithi foreign spirits ziyakhona ukungena only by smelling ikhaya lakho and seeing izinto ezenzakalayo. Abanye si-welcome masingene emageyidini, si-welcome iy'ngane zama-abortion ezigujelwe emajaridini. Abanye sinyukelwa igazi lamadlozi angazange ahlambululelwe noma apholiswe amanceba. Kunabantu abashona kabuhlungu ey'tradeni. You can smell igazi labo, you can hear umsindo wabo mawungena ejaridini. So singome onika sayenza saphapayeri sithi hey sivele sithule, you understand, because umuntu kwamele iphume kumuntu ukuthi ufuna ukulungisa. Emakhosini Thokozani, Camagu, Lesedi, Kganya. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Amen.